Meet Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Engineered by Google with AI controlled by you. On video, you get Video Boost for a smoother view. Night sight in the dark. Less distracting audio. In real tone, so you look like you. It does amazing things, so you can capture the cosmos, create the right light, zoom in, make the mini mega. Or swap this, and yeah, that too. Nice. Photos made perfect with a tap. Want more control? Shoot with pro-level tools modeled after DSLR controls. Or reimagine an image with Magic Editor from Google Photos. While you're out there taking great pics, Titan M2, Tensor G3, and a built-in VPN help keep your info secure. And Safety Check has your back. Turn it on. Then we'll text emergency contacts if you can't tap in. And cool, you're home. It doesn't just keep you safe, it saves you time. Summarizing web pages, screening calls, even holding for you. It'll make you wonder, can a phone be made of magic? Nope, it's AI. And that's kind of our thing.
A newly leaked promo video graciously provided to 91 Mobiles by tipster Kamila Wojciechowska reveals the camera features of the upcoming Pixel phones. The new promo video, which Google is probably planning to release soon enough, gives us a breakdown of the camera features coming with the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Some of the camera features highlighted in the video include Pro controls that are exclusive to Pixel 8 Pro, Real Tone, Night Sight, Astrophotography, Super Res Zoom, and the ability to swap faces in an image likely through Magic Editor. For videos, Google has added features like Video Boost, Night Sight for low-light videos, Audio Eraser to reduce ambient background sounds, and improved skin tones. Separately, Wojciechowska provided us with the complete camera specifications of the phone as well. Google is clearly going big on cameras with the Pixel 8 series as indicated through the dedicated promo video highlighting a bunch of new camera features. Google has already shown off the design in the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. No surprises, they look very much like their predecessors, with the rear camera visor being retained and a punch hole display at the front. Before Google's October event, you can expect a few more leaks, some perhaps from Google themselves, to show up to leave little to the imagination. Until then, have a good day and see you in the next video. Peace out.